Good afternoon to my dear students. From 4-5 class we are discussing engine travel, and this is the extract taken from Malgudi Rage, and according to our standard, we are reading about engine travel, and as we know that the story begins with a fair, and in fair the author, the writer, on a road roller, that is the big problem, and create a lot of trouble in front of the author. Especially the author was a poor man, and winning after he began to think, my bad day will be finished and good day is to come. But he was totally wrong. But he was passing through very critical situation, and his luck was not working properly. So he requested to the showman, talkative man, sometimes after I will manage how to take it. But in next morning, a second problem is creating in front of the writer, because he got notice, and that notice was provided by municipality. And at that time, he paid the price for it, and after that he managed 50 coolies and a temple elephant, and a driver to remove that road roller from Gymkhana ground. Everything was okay, but sometimes after, at the time of removing the road roller, the driver collides the road roller with the wall, and the wall destroyed. We have already looked and we have already studied. Okay, it clung to it in every possible manner and pushed it just where they liked. As a result of all this confused dragging, the engine ran straight into the opposite compound wall and reduced a good length of its to powder. मतलब क्या, दीवार को तोड़ दिया, और रोड रोलर ही था, तो जो दीवार टूटे और ईंट गिरी तो ईंट किस रूप में परिवर्तन हो गई, पाउडर बन गई. At this, the crowd let out a joyous yell. The elephant, disliking the behavior of the crowd, trumpeted loudly. और वहाँ जो भी भीड़ लगे हुए थे वो इसे देख करके, दीवार को टूटते देख करके खुश हो रहे थे. बट एलिफेंट, डिसलाइकिंग द बिहेवियर ऑफ द क्राउड, एलिफेंट जो था वो क्राउड का बिहेवियर से खुश नहीं था. ट्रम्पेट लाउडली, जोर से चिंघाड़ता है. स्टैंड एंड स्नैप्ड इट्स रोप्स एंड किक्ड डाउन a further length of the wall. The 50 men fled in panic. The crowd created a pandemonium. Someone slapped me in the face. It was the owner of the compound wall. और उसी समय किसी ने मेरे गाल में एक थप्पड़ मारा, ओके, मेरे फेस पे थप्पड़ मारा। इट वाज द ऑनर ऑफ द कंपाउंड वॉल। और जो आदमी थप्पड़ मारा वो कौन था? वो उस दीवार का ऑनर था, मालिक था। द पुलिस केम ऑन द सीन एंड मार्क्ड मी ऑफ। पुलिस आई और मुझे कहाँ ले गई? जेल ले गई। When I was released from the lockup, जब मैं लॉकअप से छूटा, I found the following consequence. Number 1, several yards of compound wall to be repaired by me. तो मेरे सामने ये सब परेशानियाँ आई, ये सब टास्क आए। I found the following consequences. Number 1, several yards of compound wall to be repaired by me. कि जो सेवरल यार्ड्स ऑफ कंपाउंड वॉल, वो जो वॉल टूटे हुए थे उसको हमको क्या कराना पड़ा? रिपेयर कराना पड़ेगा। वेजेज ऑफ 50 men who ran away, they would not explain how they were entitled to the wages when they had not done their jobs. वो जो 50 आदमी थे वो सारे हमारे पास दौड़ करके आ जाते, किस काम के लिए? entitled to the wages. wages means मजदूरी। when they had not then done their job, जबकि वो लोग जो है सो कार्य को नहीं किए थे। नंबर 3, जोसेफ फी फॉर स्टीयरिंग द इंजन ओवर द वॉल। नंबर 3 कंसिक्वेंसेस क्या था? कि जोसेफ का पैसा दे दो, मतलब जो वहाँ पर रोलर को चला रहा था, ड्राइविंग कर रहा था। स्टीयरिंग द इंजन ओवर द वॉल। नंबर 4, कॉस्ट ऑफ मेडिसिन फॉर ट्रीटिंग द नी ऑफ द टेम्पल एलिफेंट। मतलब मेडिसिन के भी पैसे आपको चुकाने पड़ेंगे। किसको? राइटर को, नरेटर को, दैट मीन्स आर के नारायणन को, ठीक है ना, आर के नारायण को क्या करने पड़ेंगे? कि कॉस्ट ऑफ मेडिसिन फॉर ट्रीटिंग द नी ऑफ द टेम्पल एलिफेंट। मतलब एलिफेंट, टेम्पल का जो एलिफेंट था उसके घुटने में जो चोट लग गई, उसके ट्रीटिंग के लिए, उसके मेडिसिन के लिए आप जो है सो पे प्राइस करोगे। विच हैड रिसीव्ड सम इंजरीज वाइल किकिंग डाउन द वॉल। उसे चोट कब लग गई? जब वह वॉल को किक कर दिया, मतलब वॉल में अपना पाँव को क्या क्या पॉलिश किया, मारा। ओके। Here again the temple authorities would not listen when I pointed out that I didn't engage an elephant to break a wall, which had received some injuries while kicking down the wall. Here again the temple authorities would not listen when I pointed out that I did not engage an elephant to break a wall. मतलब राइटर इज एक्सप्रेसिंग हिज व्यूज कि मैंने हाथी को ऐसा नहीं कहा था कि तुम वॉल को ब्रेक कर दो, तोड़ दो। बट दिस काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन डिडेंट हियर द टेम्पल अथॉरिटी। टेम्पल अथॉरिटी जो है सो इस बात पे ध्यान ही नहीं दिया। लास्ट बट नॉट लिस्ट द डिमांड टू मूव द इंजन आउट इट्स प्रेजेंट स्टेशन। Sirs, I was a poor man. I really couldn't find any means of paying these bills. When I went home, my wife asked, "What is this I hear about you everywhere?" I took the opportunity to explain my difficulties. She lost her temper and cried that she would write to her father to come and take her away. Sir, I was a poor man. मैं बहुत ही गरीब आदमी हूँ। I really couldn't find any means of paying these bills. मुझे किसी तरह की बात की जानकारी नहीं है कि इस तरह के बिल्स को हमें क्या करने हैं, पे करने हैं। When I went home, जब मैं घर गया, my wife asked, मेरी पत्नी ने मुझसे पूछी, what is this I hear about you everywhere, कि यह मैं क्या सुन रही हूँ तुम्हारे बारे में। I took the opportunity to explain my difficulties. मैंने सारे प्रॉब्लम को क्या किया, एक्सप्लेन किया। She lost her temper and cried. और यह सुनते ही वह क्या हो गई, गुस्से में आ गई, उसने अपना आपा खो दिया और चिल्लाई. She would write to her father to come and take her away. उसने अपने फादर को एक लेटर लिखा कि आप यहाँ आइए हमारे यहाँ और मैं आपके साथ क्या करूँगी, चली जाऊँगी. I was at my wits' end. I was seriously wondering why I should not run away to my village. I decided to encourage my wife to write to her father and arrange for her exit. Not a soul was going to know what my plans were. I was going to put off my creditors and disappear one fine night. Imagine the facts and find out such concentrate such kind on it, which kind of circumstances and bad passage the narrator was faced and facing this kind of problem. The narrator became so sad because the thought of the narrator is already expressing about the income and through the road roller, and through that award he wants to improve his economic condition because he was a poor man. You know very well this is the critical condition for each person, and we have to focus on it because the circumstances of the poor man is not good, especially in the field of economics. So through winning that award, winning that prize, he became very happy, but through that he had lost a lot of wealth, a lot of problem he had faced because this was not suited to the writer, to the narrator. So he once again told, "Sir, I was a poor man. I really couldn't find any means of paying these bills. When I went home, my wife asked." When I went home, जब मैं घर गया, my wife asked, तो मेरे पत्नी ने कहा, "What is this I hear about you everywhere?" I took the opportunity to explain my difficulties. कि मैं यह क्या सुन रही हूँ तुम्हारे बारे में. और जैसे ही वह बोली कि मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला क्या अपने प्रॉब्लम को एक्सप्लेन करने का. She lost her temper and cried that she would write to her father to come and take her away. और वह गुस्से में आ गई और अपने पापा को उसने पत्र लिखा और कहा कि आप यहाँ आइए और मुझे यहाँ से ले चलिए. Okay, so this was the great loss all around about the narrator, because he didn't want to happen that and he couldn't think about such kind of situation, and so always he wanted to create the good condition through his effort, but he was unlucky man. He was very unlucky. Winning after, he couldn't survive and he couldn't lead happiness life, and in opposition, and on the other hand, he got a lot of difficulties and a lot of problem, and all those problem is created in front of him, and which is already provided through road roller. So it was the story of this engine trouble, and I think it is extracted from Malgudi Rage. Very interesting lesson Malgudi Rage, and some extract is already given in your book through engine trouble. The narrator wants to give you some message and you will have to focus on it, and in last class I will finish this particular chapter and you will have to read the last passage. And from I was at my wit's end, I was seriously wondering why I should not run away to my village. So from here you will have to read I heaved a sign of relief, and I think this wonderful story you will explain. Okay, thanks.